The Litter Genie uses a refill cartridge system with multi-layered bags designed to lock away odors and germs from soiled cat litter. When your current refill runs out, you'll need to replace the cartridge. Step 1. Open the lid of your Litter Genie pail. If there's an old cartridge present, remove it completely before proceeding. Step 2. Prepare your new refill cartridge. Remove the plastic tab and outer rim from the new refill. This packaging must be completely removed for proper installation. Step 3. Pull out approximately 1 foot or 30 centimeters of the film from the new refill. Start at the notch left by the plastic tab you just removed. Step 4. Push the film down through the center of the cartridge, then tie a tight knot at the bottom of the refill. This knot prevents waste from falling through. Step 5. Open the lid and pull the funnel up. Place the new refill at the top of the pail so it sits securely on the lip of the opening. Final step. Pull the handle to drop the film to the bottom of the pail. Push down the funnel and close the pail. Your Litter Genie is now ready for use with the new refill cartridge installed. When your Litter Genie bag is full, it's time to tie off and dispose of the waste. First, open the Litter Genie unit at the middle section. Next, locate the built-in child-proof cutter. This safety feature is designed to cut the bag while keeping the cutting mechanism secure from children. After cutting the bag, tie a tight knot at the top to seal in odors and waste. Then dispose of the sealed bag in your regular household trash. To prepare for the next use, pull down the remaining plastic film to the bottom of the unit. Tie another knot at the bottom to create a fresh bag ready for waste. Standard refills typically last up to 2 months for one cat, while jumbo refills can last up to 4 months. The duration depends on your cat's waste production and litter box usage. Many cat owners find the Litter Genie to be a convenient and effective solution for managing cat litter waste, providing excellent odor control and reducing trips to outdoor trash bins.